Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we help you build and grow a successful commercial cleaning business.
Folks, ever wonder what a director of operation really does all day? Spoiler alert, it's not just sitting behind a desk looking important. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive, unfiltered, behind-the-scenes look of my life as Dan the Cleaning Man. From leading a team of rock stars to solving problems faster than you can say emergency, my day is packed with challenges, wins, and a few curveballs. Are we ready to dive in? Let's go. So every successful day starts with a solid morning routine. For me, that means one thing: caffeine. Lots of it. I grab my energy drink because coffee just isn't intense enough. Crack open my laptop and dive straight into planning mode. First stop, emails. Gotta make sure no one snuck in at 3 a.m. while I was sleeping. Next, it's on to the dashboard to see where we're crushing it and where we're not. The goal is simple: prioritize tasks, set daily goals, and figure out where I need to jump in. Fun fact: no matter how perfect the plan looks in the morning, it never survives the day intact. That's why I like to keep it flexible, because in operations, the unexpected is basically a guarantee. So once I got my battle plan, it's time to rally the troops. Monday mornings kick off with a company meeting where we celebrate wins, tackle roadblocks, and set goals for the week ahead. I keep these meetings short and sweet. No one wants a meeting that drags on like a Netflix series you didn't sign up for. So after that, it's the operation meeting. This is where the magic happens, identifying what's working, what's not, and what's straight up weird. You got a bottleneck? A vendor's ghosting us? We handle it here, fast and early. Communication is everything. These meetings aren't just about logistics. They're about trust. When your team knows you've got their back, they show up stronger and the results speak for themselves. Next up, problem solving. Being a director of operations is like being a detective for your business, except instead of solving murders, I'm solving inefficiencies. Today's case, streamlining our workflow. I'll map out the process, find the sticking points, and brainstorm ways to fix them. Maybe we automate a step, or maybe we just need better communication or coordination. Either way, this is where creative and strategy collide. And honestly, it's one of my favorite parts of the job. Now on to the real action. Now it's time to leave the desk and hit the floor. I make it a point to check in with every department, accounting, sales, and even the cleaning crews, because this is where the real action happens. For example, I might notice a task is taking way too long than it should. I hear about recruiting gaps in a specific area. These little insights lead to big wins, and they're only a possibility when you stay connected to the team. Plus, let's be real, who doesn't love swapping the stories and sharing a laugh with people who make it all happen? And then the curveballs. Every day has them. Maybe a client needs something yesterday, or there's a last-minute scheduling conflict. These moments are ultimate test. Can you stay calm, think fast, and make the right call? That's key in this position. My strategy is to focus on solutions, not one problem. I bring the right people together to weigh our options and move forward. It's all about keeping the ship sailing, even if the waters are a little choppy. By midday, it's time to zoom out and think long term. Right now, I'm working on optimizing our operational processes. It might not sound glamorous, but trust me, it's game changer. A streamlined operation means faster results, lower cost, and a whole lot less stress. This is where I analyze data and collaborate with the team and brainstorm ideas to take our system to the next level. It's not just about surviving the day. It's about setting us up for success for months and even years down the line. One of the most rewarding parts of the day is coaching my team leaders. Operation is team sport, and strong leaders make everything run smoother. I schedule one-on-ones to check in on their progress and talk through challenges and share a few tricks I picked up over the years. And sometimes it's practical advice. Sometimes it's just a moral support. Either way, these conversations aren't just about solving problems. They're about empowering people to become problem solvers themselves. Afternoons are for action. This is when I tackle my to-do list like a champ, reviewing contracts, finalizing budgets, and sending those make or break emails. It's only my time to wrap up anything that's been hanging over my head all day. Did we fix that scheduling issue? Did the team get the green light for that tomorrow's big job? Closing these loops keeps the momentum going strong and sets up for a smooth start the next day. Now, before I call it a day, I sit down with our owner for a quick debrief. We go over what went well, what could have been better, what's next on the agenda. These conversations are like a reality check and a pep talk all rolled in one, and they help me stay on top of my game. I leave with a clear picture of what's coming up and a fresh set of action items for tomorrow. Because let's be real, the grind never really stops. And that's the wrap. From planning, problem solving, to mentoring, adapting on the fly, and every day as a director of operations is a new adventure. It's not always easy, but it's always rewarding. So if you're curious about operations or just love the good behind the scenes story, hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And thanks for hanging out with me today. And remember, stay organized, stay caffeinated, and stay awesome. Catch you next time.
Dan the Cleaning Man channel.